but it's only running on one cylinder. And I guess it'd be that one. So it's a carburetor issue.
Push the choke in. And spin it over.
Pump is leaking.
Now choke it and spin it over.
Okay, that shouldn't be doing that. And if you notice, the idle screw is jammed all the way back in there. We saw the idle on the carburetor at 4.5 on the top and 10 on the bottom. This screw was loose, so it wasn't. They did everything in the world to try to make it run, except what needs to be done, and that's pull the carburetors, build them, and do a fuel pump, which he said he just had someone do. But obviously, if you have one loose screw and the other one's falling out, it's not a good sign.